Your body is amazing. It has an incredible ability to heal itself. Every day, it works tirelessly to repair damage and keep you healthy. From minor cuts to serious illnesses, your body is designed to overcome challenges and bounce back stronger. This innate healing power is a gift, a force of nature that deserves our awe and respect. Think about it. A simple cut on your finger triggers a complex cascade of events. Blood clots to stop the bleeding. White blood cells rush to fight infection. New skin cells grow, closing the wound and leaving behind a scar, a testament to your body's remarkable ability to heal. This self-healing power is not limited to physical injuries. Your body can also heal from emotional and mental stress. Just as a broken bone can mend, so too can a broken heart heal with time and care. Remember, you are not a passive bystander in the journey of life. You are an active participant in your own healing process. By understanding and harnessing your body's innate healing power, you can unlock a world of well-being and live a healthier, more vibrant life. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Within this city, there's a dedicated team of workers constantly on the move. This is your body's incredible self-healing system. One visible example is wound healing. Platelets clot to stop the bleeding. White blood cells fight infection. New skin cells close the wound. A scar forms, a reminder of repair. Your body works tirelessly to keep you thriving. For centuries, the mind and body were seen as separate entities, but now science is revealing the undeniable connection between our thoughts, emotions, and physical health. This mind-body connection is a powerful force that can either enhance or hinder our body's natural healing abilities. Think about a time you were stressed. Did you notice physical symptoms like headaches, muscle tension, or digestive issues? That's your mind-body connection at work. Chronic stress sends your body into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones that, over time, can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to illness. On the flip side, positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and love have been shown to have a beneficial effect on our health. They can lower stress hormones, boost the immune system, and even speed up healing. Laughter, for example, is not just good for the soul. It also releases endorphins, natural painkillers that promote a sense of well-being. The mind-body connection is not just a feel-good concept. It's backed by a growing body of scientific evidence. Researchers are discovering more and more about how our thoughts and emotions directly influence our physical health. For instance, studies have shown that people with a positive outlook tend to recover from surgery faster and experience less pain. Similarly, practicing mindfulness and meditation has been linked to lower blood pressure, reduced anxiety, and improved sleep quality. One groundbreaking study even found that the length of telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA that shorten with age, can be influenced by our thoughts and lifestyle choices. This suggests that we have more control over our aging process than previously believed. These scientific findings provide compelling evidence that the mind-body connection is real and that our thoughts and emotions have a profound impact on our physical well-being. Real-life miracles, stories of self-healing. The mind-body connection is best shown through stories of spontaneous remission and miraculous recoveries. Maurice Goodman diagnosed with terminal spinal cancer in 1981, refused to accept his fate. He immersed himself in positive thinking, visualization, and laughter therapy. His tumor shrank and he was declared cancer-free. These stories remind us of the human body's remarkable self-healing potential. Unleash your healing power. Practical tips. You don't have to wait for a medical crisis to tap into your body's self-healing abilities. There are simple yet powerful practices you can incorporate into your daily life to enhance your well-being and support your body's natural healing process. One of the most effective is mindfulness. This involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, cultivating awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. Regular mindfulness practice has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and boost emotional regulation. Another powerful tool is positive affirmations. These are short, positive statements that you repeat to yourself, either silently or aloud, to challenge negative thoughts and reprogram your subconscious mind. By consistently affirming positive beliefs about yourself and your health, you can create a more supportive internal environment for healing. The power of belief. Your mindset matters. Your beliefs are incredibly powerful. They shape your thoughts, your words, your actions, and ultimately your reality. When it comes to healing, your mindset plays a crucial role in either supporting or hindering the process. If you believe that you're powerless over your health, that you're destined to get sick, or that healing is beyond your control, you create a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your body responds to these negative beliefs by becoming more susceptible to illness and slower to recover. On the other hand, if you cultivate a positive belief system, one that embraces the body's innate healing power and your ability to influence your health, you empower yourself to heal. By focusing on thoughts of strength, resilience, and gratitude, you create a fertile ground for healing to occur. Remember, your body is always listening to your thoughts. Choose your beliefs wisely, for they have the power to shape your reality. Nurturing your body's ecosystem. Think of your body as a garden. Just like a garden needs fertile soil, sunlight, and water to thrive, so too does your body need the right conditions to heal and flourish. One of the most important things you can do is nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide the building blocks for cell regeneration, immune function, and overall well-being. Equally important is staying hydrated. Water is essential for every bodily function, from flushing out toxins to transporting nutrients. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your system running smoothly. Finally, make sure to get enough rest. Sleep is crucial for cell repair, hormone regulation, and immune function. When you're sleep deprived, your body is less equipped to heal and fight off illness. Embrace your inner healer. The power to heal lies within you. By understanding the intricate workings of your body, the profound connection between your mind and body, and the importance of a supportive mindset, you can unlock your body's innate healing potential and live a healthier, more vibrant life. Embrace the miracle of your body. Listen to its wisdom, nurture it with care, and most importantly, believe in its incredible ability to heal. For within you lies the power to create a life of optimal well-being.